Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to start streaks on the Snapchat. So if you want to start streaks with your friends on the Snapchat because it's very trending right now, how you can start streaks. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So to start your streaks, first of all you have to open your Snapchat. Once you will open it, you have to click a picture. Once you will click a picture, you will see a send to option, so you have to click on it, and after that all the friends will appear. So you have to select your friends from here with whom you want to start the streaks. So let's suppose I have two friends right now. So I want to start a streak with these friends. So once you will select your friend from here, you have to click on the send button. Once you will click on the send, your streaks will be sent. You have to do this, and your friend will also have to do this procedure for the 3 days. Once 3 days completed, you have to send pictures or streak in this way on the daily basis. Once 3 day will completed, you will see a 3 icon right here. I mean your score start counting right here, 3 3. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.